guys, my name is Kwon and today I want to share about my job or my ideal job in the futures. In the future, I want to become a salesperson. I enjoy communicating with people and helping customers find the right products. My job will involve introducing products, answering customer question, and building good relationship with silent. To become a successful salesperson, I need a college degree, maybe good communication skill, basic knowledge about marketing and business. Um, I should also be confident, friendly, patient, and a little hardworking. In addition, I need to improve my English and my problem solving skill. I expect to work in a professional environment with really reasonable working hours and competitive salaries, attractive bonus, and opportunity for careers development. Thanks for listening.